everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of learning how to sign Faithful Still by Kings Porch. Yesterday we learned verse 1 and verse 2, and today we're going to learn the chorus and the bridge. So before we get started, remember that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there's a link to print out the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so this is an amazing chorus. Just so many promises locked in this thing. Hey, you are faithful still. That's how it starts. You pointing to God in heaven, and then R. So that's the letter R like this. R. You are faithful. So for faithful, you start here with your index finger and you come down 2 F's tapping. Now I'm going to be really honest with you. When I first learned this sign when I was 13 years old, I learned to have an F here and bring it down. And I still regularly, when I'm like just loving worship, I go back to that 13-year-old. But this is technically the sign, okay? So your index finger coming down. You are faithful and then still. Those are Y hands, and it takes a bit of a dip and then comes up, okay? Faithful still. You have carried, so for carried, okay, it's 3 little bumps to the center of your body. You have carried me through, and then deeper. Your non-dominant hand is here for reference, and your dominant hand shows deep, okay? Deeper water, W at your chin. You've walked beside me through the fire, okay? So walking hands, walked beside me. So your dominant hand is showing beside me, and then once again cutting through that hand for through, and then fire. You make that fire with your hand, and then it's again faithful still. Let's try that from the top, okay? You are, see, I went to do it. You are faithful still. You have carried me through deeper waters. You've walked beside me through the fire. Faithful still. You've closed the mouths of bigger lions. You, and then close, like it's 2 gates, swing them closed. You have closed the mouths of bigger. So with this hand, these hands kind of cupped, you're going to show bigger. Okay? Bigger, and then lions, like showing that mane. Lion, lion. So you have closed the mouths, outlining your mouth, of bigger lions. Okay? Conquered even greater giants. So take your dominant hand and conquer. Okay? Over top of that non-dominant arm. Conquered even greater. So the same as bigger, greater, and then giants. Whoo, tall. Okay? Really, I'll go really low so you can see. Tall. Okay? So tall is like here, and then giant, whoo, is up here, okay? Greater giants, gone before me, gone, okay? Gone before, so kind of like beside, this time you're showing before, okay? Before me, and you always, okay? So index finger up and going around, and then will is in the future. You are faithful still. Okay, let's try that a couple times together, okay? You are faithful still. You have carried me through deeper waters, walked beside me through the fire, faithful still. You have closed the mouth of bigger lions, conquered even greater giants, gone before me, and you always will. You are faithful still. Okay, we'll try it again. You are faithful still. You have carried me through deeper waters, walked beside me through the fire, faithful still. You have closed the mouth of bigger lions, conquered even greater giants, gone before me, and you always will. You are faithful still. Okay? And then the bridge is nice and simple in this song. It's just 2 lines repeated a couple times. I have a hope. I have a future. I'm the child of the mountain mover. What a promise, right? So when you have something here, okay, so this is I am, this is I have. So I have hope. Hope, okay? Bending your hands there, hope. So I have a hope. I have a future, which is the same as will, a future. And then I am a child, okay? Showing someone who's shorter, I am a child. And then mountain, rocks, and then show it going up, okay? The mountain mover, okay? So move it from here to here. So I have a hope. I have a future. I'm the child of a mountain mover. And it repeats a couple times. So we'll do it one more time and then we'll put it all together, okay? I have a hope. I have a future. I'm the child of a mountain mover. Okay, here we do. Now, here we go. We're gonna do both the chorus and the bridge together. So, you are faithful still. You have carried me through deeper waters, walked beside me through the fire, faithful still. You have closed the mouth of bigger lions, conquered even greater giants, gone before me, and you always will. You are faithful still. And then, actually, I think it actually says it twice. You are faithful still. Okay, and then the bridge. I have a hope. I have a future. I'm the child of a mountain mover. I have a hope. I have a future. I'm the child of a mountain mover. Okay, so practice that one as many times as you need to, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we put tutorial 1 and tutorial 2 together and we walk through the whole song. Hope wherever you are, that you are healthy and that you are well. Bye. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. I pray that his face would shine upon you and that he would be gracious to you. I pray a blessed day for you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.